good morning. Ging is here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing the 12 signs he doesn't love you. Stay tuned. So, what are the signs that a guy doesn't love you? Number 1, you don't trust him. If you maybe think he is betraying you or cheating on you, then obviously you must be wonder he actually loves you. If you're struggling to trust him, then your intuition may be telling you he doesn't love you. Always remember, without trust, a relationship can't grow. That's the sign number 1. Sign number 2, he's making you feel like you're not good enough. How do you feel around him? If he's making you feel insecure, then it's a fair chance that he doesn't love you. Love is a powerful emotion that makes you giver and receiver feels great. Sign number 3, he is ignoring you. While we can mention that if he really loves you, he may appear distant, unfortunately, it also means he doesn't love you. And taking ages to respond, you might not be forefront of his mind. A man that truly loves you will always want to give time for you and see you whenever he can. Sign number 4, he doesn't listen to you. A man that truly loves you will respect your opinions and listen to what you have to say. But if he's not taking advice on board and ignoring your opinions, then it shows a lack of respect. Without respect, love is near impossible. Here's the sign number 5. He refuses to make plans for the future. Like for example, you have plan for your future that you want to be. He don't support your plan. He has his own goal or future plan. He don't support your plan. So he has his own goal or future plan. He don't support your plan. So that means you don't have compatible plans in your future, and then you have relationship together, a serious relationship. And then me as a girl, because I am serious, and of course I have a goal in life, and then of course I just want to have a goal or future plans that will be incoming of my future. So let's say I will open up to say to him that this is my plan, and then perhaps he don't like your ideas or plans in the future. So that's the warning sign that he don't see a better future with you, because he has another future in life. He don't support you, he don't support your goal, he don't support your future plans. And of course, as a girl, we girl like to have a future plan in a relationship. We just don't like just for fun, game. No girl like that. We deserve to have a serious relationship and to have a better plans for the future. Sign number 6, he only care about sex. Like for example, he met a girl, he just chatting for just a couple of weeks, and then he want to meet the girl in person, and then they have sex, and then he don't have plan to court that girl, but he show special, he treat the girl special, and he just want to have sex. Well, you can call that is love. You just met a girl just for sex. Well, that's not normal. A girl is deserved to be loved, and a true man will respect to a woman. You can, as a girl, we can feel that guy is only want to have sex on me. Of course, we are not blind to see or feel that, because we girl deserve to be respect and deserve to be loved, not only for sign number 7. He never buys you anything. I'm not talking about the expensive material objects. I'm just talking about the simple thing about, like for example, her personal needs like amenities, lotion, conditioner, shampoo, or whatever that her necessary needs in her personal needs. So just like that, because we girls are also have a personal needs. That's what I mean. Talking about the expensive material objects here. I'm just talking about the simply things. Like for example, our personal needs, amenities like shampoo, lotion, conditioner, whatever her personal needs. We girl needs that. Sign number 8. He hasn't told you about his friends or family about you. I mean, if my boyfriend doesn't told his friends or family about me, I don't think so that tell that he is serious to me, because if I am really serious with that person, I am proudly tell to my friends, tell to my family that this is my man. I love this person. I value this person. Why? Why should I hide those person that I really love? No reason to hide or no reason to deny that person that this is my man, this is my girl. And if you love those person, you are willing to tell your loved ones, your family, and your friends that this is my girl, this is my man. Sign number 9. He's cheated on you. You are on the stage that you guys are have strong feelings, and then if the time comes that the guy cheated on you, that means he is not faithful, he is not loyal to you, because he attempt to get another girl. That means he doesn't love you. To attempt to look another girl. If he loves you, he will be contented in you. He will be contented in what you have. He will never cheated on you, no matter what. If you argued, if you have misunderstanding in your relationship, he will never find another girl just for that a small reason. Just talk, compromise, just talk, solve the problem, then it's end. And then cheated, if he cheated on you, he don't love you. That's the warning sign that he don't love you. Sign number 10. He doesn't trust you. This is the most common problem into our relationship. If he doesn't trust anything you say or do, he never sure truly what you're getting up behind his back, then he may not really love you. In the relationship, if your trust are not on there, that's the biggest problem. Why? It is because if you don't have trust on that person, your relationship doesn't work. But if you love someone, you know that simply not case. Always remember that with true love comes trust, and with trust, our relationship thrives. And sign number 11. He is way too clingy or needy. Has he stopped from seeing your friends? Is he trying to control your schedule? Does he has not trust you anything you do without him? True love doesn't lead this kind of behavior. It may lead to trust, not toxicity. If they're trying to control you, it's not a sign of love. It is a kind of a toxic relationship. The last sign that he doesn't love you is he is hiding you from his loved ones. I know that introducing to your family and friends to your partner is something lightly, it is a huge step. But if you've been together for a while and he hasn't still introduced to you to his family and friends, that is something definitely up. So that's the 12 signs if he doesn't love you. If you have some signs that you know, feel free to comment down below and we will have discussion for the next video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the button like and share and subscribe. Don't forget also to hit the bell notification for you to be able to notify when my new videos comes out. See you next time guys. Bye!